This bird stands over 5 feet tall and could eat your lunch. Literally. Meet the Jabiru, the tallest flying bird in South America and possibly the most prehistoric looking. It has a 12-inch beak, perfect for snatching fish, frogs, and even baby crocodiles. Yes, really, these fellas can swallow fish up to 8 inches long. When it flies, its wings stretch 9 feet wide. That's basically a flying dinosaur with a necktie. Males have a red throat pouch that inflates during mating season. Stalk swagger on full display. They build nests over 6 feet wide in treetops, reusing them for years and adding new layers like a condo. Both parents take turns feeding the chicks, and they regurgitate food into their beaks. Bon appetit! Males are 25% larger than females, but both sexes have similar features and plumage. Follow for more jaw-dropping animal facts, or this giant bird's flying over your house tonight.